Thank you for choosing Elk Grove Honda for all your service, maintenance, and repair needs. When you visit us under the flag in the Elk Grove Auto Mall, you'll notice our service drive is designed for your convenience. As you enter our service drive, please notice the far left lane is our express service lane. This is a convenient, no appointment needed way to find maintenance services such as oil changes for your Honda or Acura. As you near the service center, you'll drive over our tire alignment analyzer. Your speed of 3 miles per hour or less allows the analyzer to give us valuable safety information on your tires and alignment. This critical information helps us determine the safety of your Honda or Acura. If your vehicle requires more extensive services, please proceed to either of the 2 lanes right of the express service lane. Park and wait in your vehicle, and you'll be greeted by one of our friendly staff as quickly as possible. If you need transportation, our complimentary shuttle service will be happy to drive you to your home or office while we service your vehicle. Please see the cashier for details. If you choose to wait for your vehicle, our waiting area offers comfortable seating, phone chargers, magazines, and television. Our complimentary coffee machine is always a treat, and the hot chocolate is a crowd favorite. If you have little ones, we've stocked a special room with activities, games, books, and pint-sized furniture. We understand not everyone has a schedule that allows them to bring their car during normal business hours. Please feel free to talk to one of our service representatives, and they'll be happy to set up an after-hours appointment. At Elk Grove Honda, we're proud to be your choice for all your service needs. We'll treat your Honda or Acura as if it were our own, so you can get back on the road with the peace of mind that comes from trusting your vehicle to the very best.